we are going to do Urlakangu Patani Varuval. Varuval தானே? In Hindi they say aloo matar. In English, potato and green peas fry. You can see it's very nice. And here is my sister-in-law Oma and Baba Dharani and my mother. And let's see the preparation. And for green peas potato fry, they are going to do today. And for this, they are using tomato. Now they are Uma is making tomato chop. And along with that, they put ginger and coriander and green chili. Usually, they also mix garlic and onion. But today is no moon day, and in Tamil we say Amavasai. So they said today we don't mix garlic and onion because it's some reason, some spiritual reason. So without garlic and onion, today making potato peas, green peas fry. Okay. Now washing coriander and coriander chop. Coriander, tomato. And this cutter name called is a traditional cutter name called Arvamanai in Tamil. And nowadays people use a knife and plate something to cut, but we still use the Arvamanai. And you see the sitting style is already she's sitting like a Sukhasana in yogic style. She's sitting down in the floor. We have to sit in the floor. Then it's a good exercise. My mother is watching. Next day. Pachamaga. Oh, she have to grind the pachamolagai, that is green chili, in the mixie to grind. So I will show the other preparation later. இது அந்த பச்சை மிளகாய் கூடயே இஞ்சியும் போட்டு அரைச்சிடுவியா? சரி. கருவேப்பிலைங்க. இதுக்கு தேவையான கருவேப்பிலை. Here you can see the curry leaves, coriander and tomato. Curry leaves is கருவேப்பிலை. சில பேர் இதை பண்ணி சாப்பிட்றாங்க செஞ்சு. அதுதான் இதை காட்டுறது கற்றுக்கணும். ஜிஞ்சர் எவ்வளோ பெருசு இஞ்சி போடக்கூடாது. This big size of ginger and along with the green chili they are going to grind in a mixie. Today is 22nd May 2020 and today is Amavasai Nomun Day. So they are cooking now and here you can see our puja room in our home. Later on, after cooking, we offer a food in a banana leaves to God and also for my father and grandfather and grandmother who died long time ago in this particular day. So we don't mix garlic and onion in today's food. You can see it's mango, Lord Muruga, Ganesha, Shiva. Please cover. So that is the vegetable banana fry, and which is called Vazhaka Poriyal. Vazhaka Poriyal varula. Poriyal, and this is vegetable sambar. I will show you the other day this preparation, but now we are going to see potato and green peas fry. Aloo matar, urulaikilangu, and patani varval. So here is potato, tomato, coriander, and curry leaves, and green peas. ஆயில் ஊத்துறீங்களா?
வாயில ஊத்துங்க.
இல்ல இதுல.
ஆயில்.
என்ன ஆயில்? So here is sunflower oil. 2 small cups. இந்த கப் எங்க? In this small cup, she put 2. Okay? And it's boiling now. Katada. This is mustard. Mustard, kadugu. And this is uri dal, ulundu. Ulundu. Those who not have this ulundu is fine, but we have, so ulundu. So mustard and ulundu is now deep fried first. If you not have ulundu, then just mustard. So when it is fried, after fried, you can see the color, little bit brown, light brown in color. Now chop the tomato, curry leaves, coriander she will put later. And the inji இது அரைச்சாச்சா? Now she is going to grind chopped ginger and green chilli. Usually they will add along with that எத்தனை பீஸ் பூண்டு போடுவா? She used to put about 5 pieces of garlic in it, but today no garlic. This size 5 pieces of garlic usually, but today is Amavasai day, which is 22nd May, no moon day, so we don't put any garlic or onion. So she's now grinding and mixing the chopped ginger and the green chilli. Without garlic and onion. And those who are preparing this in our home, please add some garlic and onion if you want. Onion எவ்வளோ எத்தனை வெங்காயம் போடணும் இதுல? This size you can add 1 or 1.5 onion. chopped onion, but today we are not adding, but you can add wherever you are cooking in whichever the country, Australia, America, Holland, Belgium, anywhere you are doing this, India, anywhere when you are doing, you add this garlic and onion, good for health. But today we are not adding that. That is vegetable banana fry. I didn't make the video of that, but still you can feel it. Some other day we will make for you separately. Today in this video in Peace Ravi TV, you can see Urlakangu Patani Varval, which is potato, green peas fry, aloo matar only. Adding little bit of water and to grind because my mother is checking every preparation. Today we don't taste it before we offer to God. Just roughly prepare all the salt, spicy, everything only because whatever you are offering to God in a plate, that we should not taste or smell it directly. Today is some special day. You see, now she mixed the green peas in it. In this now only the oil, boiled oil and mustard and uri dal. After that tomato and now green peas mixing. Benna powder. அந்த பேஸ்ட் அது பண்ணிட்டியா இருக்கு கலந்து காட்டு. This is green chilli and ginger paste. Rodarni? Good girl. Now ginger and green chilli paste is mixing. My mother is very happy. You see the happy face that she is telling people around the world watching. I am very happy she is telling. Here is turmeric powder. Turmeric is very, very good for the health. You have to mix turmeric. In Tamil we say manjal tool. The slang is manja tool. Manjal tool, they say manja tool. Now she is mixing turmeric powder. How many spoon? Small. very small. And this is pure chili powder. Okay. This is garam masala powder, which is coriander seed, cinnamon, clove, everything mixed in this. This chili powder we made homemade, 2 spoon. We say garam masala, 3 spoon, 3.5 spoon. Spoon size in this 3.5 spoon of garam masala. If you have only chili powder, is fine. But we made this chili powder homemade, along with coriander seed and cinnamon, clove, and everything. This is salt, rock salt. That's it. See, mixing little bit of water in it, taking more water. She's filtering the tomato water a little bit. The seeds of tomato we are not mixing, it's not good for health. So you see the seeds are in the filter still. More water. Avadarni ala thoragudadu. Good girl. Bhavadarni is our neighbor daughter who always stay here. She enjoys here. Now coriander on the top. உருளைக்கிழங்கு போடுறது. Next பண்ணல உருளைக்கிழங்கு. This has to nicely have to boil more 5 minutes. Nicely, and after that only finally the potato will mix in it. Otherwise the potato will be get more mashed. இல்லைன்னா இப்போ உருளைக்கிழங்கு ரொம்ப இதுவாகிடும், இல்லை கரைஞ்சிடும்ல. So because for the green peas is a vegetable, it has to nicely boil first. More boil. The potato is already boiled potato. We chop, we cut and keeping ready. So if we mix it in now in this, it will be not like a pieces of potato in it then. So that is why we are waiting. We have to wait for more 5 minutes. Now it is nicely boiled. You can see. So now we are going to mix the potato. The potato is already boiled and cut. The potato already boiled, please remember, separately and like this, and then taken out the skin, they peeled the skin and kept ready, and now mixed all together. So it's ready now. Maybe another இன்னும் எவ்வளவு நேரம் அப்புறம் அதில் இருக்கணும்? 10 நிமிஷமா? சின்ன தீயா? Now the flame is medium. So இது சின்ன தீயில ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கா இல்லை எப்படி? So it is a small flame already. Now about 7 to 8 minutes, approximately 10 minutes, not more than that. It has to be in the kadai, which is this pan name called kadai in Tamil. And after that it's ready. So thanks for watching Peace Ravi TV. Please enjoy Peace Ravi TV, Peace Kitchen, Mummy Kitchen. You can also give a name for this. Uma, my sister-in-law kitchen. And thanks for spending your valuable time. Say world peace 3 times. World peace, world peace, world peace. The entire world is one big family. You're all my family, our family. And please enjoy this delicious dish. We are doing this from Chennai, south part of India. My mother is sitting there. My sister-in-law Uma is telling, please put the banana leaves near the God and everywhere to offer this food. We offer this food to God and our dead family people. Today we have to pray for them, and so we offer them in the banana leaves, not in the plate. I will show you this video after while they are offering. Thanks. I'm your Ravi, World Peacemaker. Now it's ready completely. You can see. You see the prayer. So this is the way how we pray our family members who died, passed away long back ago. So we offer a food and everything and a camper light. And all this prayer is over. And thanks for watching Peace Ravi TV.